Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today I am at the grand launch of OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro. This is how the all new OnePlus 7 Pro looks like. Many people were really awaiting this launch, and so finally it is here. This is a super premium flagship phone with all new power pack specs, as well as the screen is upgraded. There's a lot of RAM and ROM variants available. Also, it has a power packed camera. The performance is good, like the CPU, and we'll see a very quick look of the OnePlus 7 Pro in this video. So friends, this is the all new OnePlus 7 Pro for you. This is how it looks like. Really nice and classy, as per it has to keep up to the ultra premium flagship name of OnePlus. So if you talk about the back side, it is a glass panel. This is the particular almond color which I picked up for review because this is a totally new color launched. The other two are grey and blue, which are the normal common colors, and this looks so good. Then this is based on this metallic frame. Here you get the alert slider and the power button. This side is the volume rocker, and here are the speakers and the C-type charging port, along with the mouthpiece and the SIM tray. And by the way, where is the fingerprint sensor? Yes guys, it is inbuilt in-display fingerprint sensor, guys. It has this latest Snapdragon 855 processor, along with Android 9 Pie and Oxygen OS. Oxygen OS this time has been upgraded a lot of new customizations have been made because it is more of about the user experience, not just the specs. So the experience of the Oxygen OS has been really customized, and there are some Indian features also which will be soon introduced in Oxygen OS. There are three variants of storage which will be available. When one is 6 GB plus 128. This one is the second variant, which is 8 GB plus 256 GB. The third one is a 12 GB variant. Battery is really mentionable side here because it has a 4000 mAh battery, which is usual. We get 4000 mAh now in medium segment phones also. But the thing which is a highlight is the Rapid Charge 3.0, along with a 5 volt 6 ampere of ultra fast charging. So this will give you around a 50% of charge in just 20 minutes. So you're good to go actually for most of the day. Okay, let's see the screen. It is a 6.7 inches of screen, 90 Hz screen with a fluid display. So there are some things mentionable for gamers here, which is one is the screen, which I already told you. Then the GPU 640 in this. So graphics will be really amazing. Let's jump to the camera part. It has a triple rear camera setup. The primary camera is a 48 megapixel sensor with a Sony IMX586, and lens quality is 7p. It has everything: EIS, OIS, aperture f1.6, and it has 3x zoom. Wow. Then the second lens is a 16 megapixel lens, that is the ultra wide angle lens. Field of view is 117 degree, and the third one is a 8 megapixel lens with the aperture f2.4, and it has OIS as well. So a telephoto lens along with a ultra wide angle lens and a 48 megapixel primary sensor. That makes a power packed camera. You can expect like superb camera quality. Of course it has nightscape, so you can take good night shots as well, great portrait shots as well. The video section is also great here because you can shoot up to 4K videos up to 60 FPS. It also has a super slow-mo, time-lapse and everything, which is required in a premium phone, seriously. Coming to the front camera, wow, the pop-up comes out with a 16 megapixel selfie camera. So as you can see, I'm like totally opposite to the lighting, but then too the quality of the selfie looks super cool. So I just tried to click one or two shots here. They are looking really amazing. In the first look, this phone is really up to the mark. Three variants have been launched: 6 plus 128 GB, 8 plus 256 GB, and the third one is a 12 GB, yes guys, 12 GB is here in India. So 12 GB plus 256 GB. So the price follows like that, starting from 48,999, 52,999 for the second variant, and 12 GB variant at a price range of the highest variant will be 57,999. This will be soon available on Amazon. So this is it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite and another tech launch. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nothing Wire. Thank you and bye.